We've already also have an agreement with Mercury. In fact, so we're in the process of installing it already in these different outlets.
Thank you very much, Secretary. Wala kong cell pa lang po ako, nagagawa na namin to sa Quezon City. And then yung isa pong lagi kong hinihilip sa inyo, baka naman pati yung guarantee letters for drugstores. Ang hinihintay ko rin po yan as an accomplishment dahil matagal ko na rin po nilalambing sa inyo.
Madam Chair, we're very happy again to report that we've already signed up Rose Pharmacy, South Star, and the other one. We've already also have an agreement with Mercury. In fact, we are about to meet them to finalize it. What will happen is all these drugstores will have the insignia of DSWD. Parang nakalagay doon your guarantee letter, DSWD guarantee letter is accepted. So we're in the process of installing it already in these different outlets.
Thank you very much, Secretary. Dahil alam niyo, wala kong cell pa lang po ako, nagagawa na namin to sa Quezon City. That's why I'm so happy when I discuss it with you. At napakabukas niyo po dito sa suggestion na to. So, I hope maraming nakikinig ng mga constituents. Thank you very much for that, Mr. Secretary. Pati government hospitals can accept also for the pharmacies ng government hospital.
That's already included. Ang bago dito is the notion that you gave us. You and Congressman Chanco actually were the ones who told us na we should sign up with Mercury, which we did.
Thank you.
Final touch na lang kami. We're about to meet the owners themselves because they really want to do a kick-off, which we promised to invite you.
Yes,
but we already signed up with Rose Pharmacy, South Star, and we're tracking.
Iangat lahat ng pamilya, solo parents at iba pa. Iboto muli, BH Bagong Henerasyon Party List number 94 sa likod ng balota.